Is this where you need to bang it with a mallet?
Yeah, we need to take all the bolts all the way out.
Alright. Yeah. There we go.
When you're doing it directly from the top, it kind of smudges it a bit.
Yeah.
Which is one of the reasons I've done it from the side.
Okay. Oh yeah, see. Although this is now...
It's harder to get it to go where you want it to go, but it does make it nicer, more even.
Oh yeah, it's tricky, isn't it? Yeah, we need more this side, dude. It's like...
I'm just trying to get the baffle to line up on this side first.
But you have to be...
So you're taking something off?
Well, you're pulling the seal out is the idea, but you've got to be careful.
Oh,
with...
using a screw for leverage?
Yeah, that's it,
Oh,
yeah.
okay. And are you replacing it?
Yeah. We've
Oh, is that thing you showed earlier?
Yeah, that brown ring thing. Yeah, put it there.
So it's difficult because it's so rigid, because it's not just a piece of like rubber or something, it's reinforced.
Well, no, because I want to pull it like, that's the direction I want to pull it in. Kind of made it difficult for myself by being a bit too close to the crank. Fuck. That's what happens every time.
Mileage, blank kilometres. So it was meant to be
No.
Nice.
Anticlimactic.
Well, did you want it to go like...
I was like, oh, it'll be 10 tries, it'll be really difficult. No, second try.
like that?
Yeah.
this was a pain in the ass.
Yeah, kind of,
Yeah,
because
you
it's so
want-
rigid, it wants to
yeah.
come out the other side.
I wonder if anyone's accidentally put it the wrong way round and like hammered it in. I don't know what that one was, but...
You probably barely even go in.
I've got to find the hole, mate. Edward,
You-
can you,
we want to get
finger
all
these on?
all these through. Don't worry too much about the alignment yet.
I can't find it. I think that's it there. I think that's it. Is it even on this thing? I think it's spot on. If you look at it.
Oh yeah, yeah, perfect.
Look in there.
Before it slipped back on.
Those don't all look gearboxy. There's more on the back of the car, isn't there?
Well, there's one on the bottom that I'm tightening up. If you get that one done tight, then it'll be good.
Oh, it's there.
Any more?
I think I can't quite see
Or
where
can
we
I come
are on the
forward
sump,
more?
but I think
The sump is clear, but I don't know.
if we can drop it a tiny bit more, that'd be ideal.
Yeah.
Right, here we are. Here's the engine back in the car. Got fairly late last night, about 10:30, but we managed to connect up the engine mounts to the subframe, and now it's just a case of plugging everything back in and sorting out the PPF and the exhaust and all of those kind of things. So yeah, follow along. But it's Saturday morning, and I'm hoping this will be done by this evening, meaning that I can drive it round and go and test it and get some mileage on it.
A few moments later.
Go right by the end of the exhaust
What?
manifold. Go right, put your head right by the end of the exhaust manifold.
Yeah.
Test those out.
Hold on, let me see if I can get a shot of you guys in there as well.
Ready?
Yep. Yep.
Why is that so loud?
No,
Well, no, it wasn't. It was because it was revved up. Yeah.
Why was it revved up?
Good question.
Oh my lord.
Well, we know it runs.
Is the throttle on too much?
Jesus.
Throttle's normal. It might have just had like.
No, that throttle's on too much. That's on way too much. That's not on the.
Well, if you disconnect the cable though, it doesn't. That's as far back as it goes.
No, pull that out. That's
Well, yeah, maybe it's time. Well, we don't need to take it off. Where's some 12mm spanners? Only two 12mm spanners.
That's not how you stop.
You don't rev it up to maximum or forget.
Well, there's already oil in it, so.
Oh, there's a big old. There's a big hold on. There's a big puddle on the floor. There's a puddle of oil on the floor or something. What's that? Oh, power.
That's power steering, isn't it?
Yeah, power steering.
That probably bubbled over when we.
Oh, it's this. Shit, I've not done the I've not tightened that up.
Oh. Yeah.
I think it's like.
There's 112 mil.
No, it's
112 mil.
21.
Here's another.
I had another 12 mil.
Yeah. No, 22. Definitely sounding spicy. Probably would help if I took the airbox off, to be honest. But, just did that and died.
Yeah, well, you probably just need to give it a bit.
I'm not.
Barely run, so.
I'm not revving it. I don't want to. Honestly, you guys will get in trouble.
Oh, well, the sensor isn't fucking on.
Oh, yep. That might do
Yeah,
it.
that'll be why it died.
That'll be why it died, yeah.
What is that mysterious ticking noise?
What the hell is that?
pedal, Grandma.